Yo, I've got a demented tow truck. I can send fucking people into space. Watch this shit. Watch this. Oh my god, where the fuck do you? Fecal vein traffic slow. Yeah, ow. Shit! What? Man, that's a massive wreckage, is it? Don't worry, Toe's here. Don't not bring it a surprise. Don't fear it. It's just for you. Oh shit! Oh shit! He can't get past. It's like a fucking turtle shell. It's like those green turtles from Mario Kart. The minute it comes anywhere close to me, it just gets fucking yeeted to the oblivion. He just killed that guy. What the fuck? How do people not see this? Server lag. Oh my fuck! There he goes. He's gone like Team Rocket. Look at it fucking go. Mate, it's killed everyone within a block radius. They arrive on scene to immediately get whipped. Yeah, mate, come on, player. You're ballsy enough. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, yeah, we have a full fucking... Oh god, the fucking server is here as well. Would everyone just fucking back off? Hang on! Fuck me. Right, I'm going, go. Oh shit! The server owner is gone! I've gone to orbit! Oh my god, my fucking game's turned into a slideshow!
Dude is watching, I love it. Where'd the car go?
I've made it out the map. I'm seriously out of the map. I'm going to the white zone.
The tow truck just...
Bro, I'm out the map. Hey, should I start a new server that is not bugged? Hell no. Mate, I'm in fucking... I've gone to heaven. I've died. The G-forces have killed me. To protect the world from devastation!